Okay, before we take the radio out, make sure it works. Okay, all good. Power off.
Ich stopp's jetzt, ne?
Take the radio, take the connectors out. Okay. This gray goes to gray. White goes to white. Okay. White goes in here. Gray goes in here. No? Oops. Here. Okay. And this gray goes in the interface. This is the telephone. And this is that mysterious dome or infrared receiver you're talking about, and I plug it right in here. Okay, so let's turn on. It does not even turn on anymore. Nothing. Okay, let's take this out. Now this unit is dead. Doesn't do anything anymore. Let's unplug everything else. There used to be some lights here. It's nothing anymore. Ever since I plugged in that infrared receiver, that thing is dead. So, I don't know. Okay, I'll